What you doing now, Dave?
Cut some steps out of diamond plate aluminum.
Steps for what?
The houseboat. Back of the ladder on the houseboat.
We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels. We roll, we camp, and yeah, we play.
The steps they have on a ladder now, just basic round bars. A little flat top on them, which they're about that wide. And to climb up them in bare feet, kind of tough. So finally, after what, 25 years, I decided I'm going to put wider treads on the steps. So those bare feet, when you're coming out of the water, are a little easier.
For us old folks.
For us old folks.
Yeah. With knee and back problems.
Actually, just for Karen.
Oh, yeah. Right.
Hey, I'm not old.
Oh, that's right. You're 9 months younger than me.
That's bingo.
Uh-huh.
Hey, it all counts.
So I see you got a plasma cutter here.
Uh-huh.
Gonna be using that?
I am.
Cool.
To cut the aluminum.
And where did you get that?
Amazon.
Surprise, surprise.
Where do I get everything?
I know.
Let's see, which way do I want to cut this?
Yeah, how thick is this?
1/4 inch.
Wow. That won't bend.
No. Gotta do some mathematics.
What? Take 24 and divide by 4?
Or divide by 4.
Ooh. Good luck with that.
And that should be 6 3/8 to that.
What's this thing here for?
That's the ground for the electrical power.
Okay. 1/4 inch. This is going to be kind of hard to cut, isn't it? Not for the plasma cutter?
No.
So how'd you learn how to plasma cut?
YouTube you.
YouTube you?
YouTube
What'd you need it for that you had to learn?
Oh, when I built the lift.
Oh, the lift you
Cutting all the
did?
steel and all that.
Oh, and you never got to finish that.
Yeah, well. Yeah. You ready?
No. Okay.
It's cutting through it.
All the way?
But it's not all the way.
The plasma cutter says, not today, big guy.
What do I got going here? Tip's all full of shit.
Cutter malfunction diagnosed.
Thing is, ladder. Feeling it back up.
You'll notice sparks are flying and also aerosol cans right next to him. If this clip suddenly cuts to black, you'll know why.
That hot?
Yeah.
Wait.
It's cutting it, splatters. Filling it back up.
That's going to be a lot of filing.
I know. That's one. You can hit it with a hammer. Yeah, I'll grind all that off. It'll look fine. 6 inches. 6 inches. 6 inches. 6 inches.
Let's see you turn this up a little bit.
Yep.
That work better for you?
Yeah. Yeah, for some reason the aluminum doesn't blow through like steel does.
If any of you pros out there have tips for plasma cutting aluminum, we're all ears, because Dave's filing like he's practicing for a prison break.
So you're just doing this so we don't cut ourselves.
That's right.
Because if somebody can, it'll be us.
Because I'm fragile.
I know.
And there you have it.
All right, let me check. Ooh, smooth. That's still kind of warm.
Yeah.
Nice. How are you going to make the attachment?
We're going to get it out there, and we'll drill 2 holes through it.
Mm-hmm.
And through the step, we'll put a stainless steel nut and bolt.
You're a nut and bolt.
nut and bolt.
You're the nut, I'm the bolt,
Could be.
something like that.
No, actually, I'd be the bolt, you would be the nut.
Oh, yeah.
Bolt goes into the nut.
X-rated. Okay, let's go do it.
Okay, you nut.
So there's the infamous ladder with the little rungs on it.
Infamous.
So know what I gotta do? Just hang on to this thing while you're
Yeah,
unbolting it?
while I'm unbolting it.
Good thing you got a second ladder so you can get up.
Yeah. Be a long swim that way.
Yeah. So we're going to have the option
I mean,
of
I
putting
guess you
it
could go halfway.
here, halfway, or all the way back.
But this one will hit the top rail
Right.
when you fold it up.
Okay.
So you could go like this on the bottom one,
Uh-huh.
and then do this on the rest of it.
But I don't want to be hitting my toes getting to it either.
True. So I think right there, like that, might be best.
You got it. Where'd all this stuff come from?
Home Depot.
Today?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
That's where I went this morning.
Uh-huh.
Even though I told you I was going to see my girlfriend. I was. My girlfriend's Home Depot.
Oh, yeah?
I spend so much time there, I feel like I'm married.
Do you call her Ho for short?
Oh. That's right.
See, Dave, this is another job perspective for you.
What's that?
You can add these to people's ladders on the backs of their houseboats.
I've already got the flyer out. Put that on there, a little lock washer.
So this sheet was about $100, and then you had to get the bolts and washers and nuts and stuff. So about what, $110 for this?
Probably about, yeah, right around there.
Safety, all about safety.
But I'll tell you what,
Huh.
better than messing your foot up.
Oh yeah, especially since you've had issues with them too.
Oh, yeah, I got issues with it.
I know.
Let's make this.
I got an issue with you. Well, let's see what you got, Dave.
That's gonna be it right there. We're gonna put the bolts in. There we go. All right,
And drop it.
give it a drop.
Give it a big splash. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, that goes down in a hurry.
Sure does. Got a little extra weight on it.
Yeah.
Oh, ain't that nice?
Big difference?
Yeah, but the top step's still, like you said, it's still underneath there, but it's a lot easier. Pushing my toes on it. Whoa, whoa. I don't know, try it. Take your shoes off.
You have to have your toes so far out to get your foot up on the platform.
Oh, to get around the edge of the boat.
So what's happening is once you have your foot in here, the platform is like right here. So trying to get out and get on top of the platform is just difficult. So we're going to take these, flip them, and have them sticking out this way. So we're going to flip them all around. For the record, I told him to put the steps on the other way from the beginning.
Karen would have listened to me the first time.
Uh-huh.
We wouldn't have this problem.
Yeah, well, I wasn't going to put our argument in this video.
But now you are.
So, now we got the rungs on the opposite side. We'll see how it goes now. I could be proud of you if you don't drop any of those nuts in the water.
I will be too. I've already got probably 10 or 12 ratchets underneath there. I know I got a bunch of wrenches.
Down on the bottom of the lake?
Yeah. A couple pair of scissors.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Your dignity. Okay, goes the big splash. Ah, you can see all the steps now. Hopefully this works. See how that top step is going to work.
Oh, man, That's like a dream.
Is it? So
Yeah.
we've gone from this to this. Dave, how many beers?
4 steps, 12-pack, three beers a step. Plus I had to go get it, so that's another 4 beers. We're looking at what? 18 beers.
What about me?
Working with, oh God, now that's 36 more.
Now, hey, I helped. I held it for you. I told you the right way of putting them on to begin with. You said no.
Just
And I
that
made
fact
that-
right there. Just that fact right there is a case.
No. We have to take away because you wouldn't listen to me.
No.
You wouldn't listen to me. That's it.
This ain't open for
6.
negotiation.
You get 6.
Not open for negotiation.
No, bye.
Thanks for rolling with Wax on Wheels. Want to help our channel grow? Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell, or we'll come Jeep chasing ya. Hey, and leave us a comment. Even a quick hello makes our day. So roll, camp, play, and maybe fix something, and have a beer.